Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Instagram email. If you're using Instagram and you want to change your email account for your Instagram apps, let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right. Now just tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now from here you have to tap on account center. Then tap on the personal details option and then select your contact info. And here you'll get your email or the Gmail you have added into your Instagram account. Now, if you want to add a new one or if you want to change your Instagram email, you must have to select this add new contact option and then select add email address. So once you on this page, you'll see the option of adding this email address will replace your current email address on Instagram account. So you must have to enable this. If it's unchecked, you have to try the check or enable this. Once I've enabled, just enter your new email address. So once you have entered your new email address, just select this next option and here just wait for its loading. And then you have to enter the confirmation code sent on your email address. So you have to simply go back and open your mail app. And here you just have to select Instagram mail and you have to check for the confirmation code. You can try to copy this code or you can also try to remember this and enter this into your Instagram page. So just go back and here you have to paste your code. Once you have pasted, just select this next option here and your email address will be changed. So in this way you can easily change your Instagram email. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.